Gold and silver traded with modest bullishness throughout the day. We have seen gold moving towards 24.26, while silver has also moved close to 28.70 levels. The critical resistances here, as we have discussed, 24.24 and 28.75 80 are yet to be breached. Now, what to expect today from the US session and later in the day, the most important event, the FOMC interest rate decision, and then the press conference from Chairman Powell. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit? What can we expect? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited. The subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. Now, if you look at gold on the hourly charts, you can clearly see there is a wall out here which is yet to be breached, which is sitting at around 24, 22, 24, 24 zone, which is going to be a critical zone. And right now, I can see gold is very much hesitant to break beyond. Also, you can see that it is consolidating. Thus, a breakout either which ways is going to bring stronger momentum. Also, if you notice now, the downside support is very strong. We can see higher lows are getting created. Thus, once you see gold trading below 24.14 and then 24.10.08 zone. See, first support is 24.10, then first support is 24.14, then 24.10 and 08, and then below that 24.04. If these three levels are taken, then you can say now metals are turning bearish. If you look at stochastic, this is dropped here looking downwards. If you look the MACD is convergent here. See, first wave, if it crosses over, which means the current candle has to be red, and then we can see a little retracement on the downside. It can deliver a second wave. RSI is very near to the top. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at the 2-hour charts here, you can find out similar observation. The gold is hesitant here. We can see first red candle and a possibility of a second red candle is there, where it can try to erase the gains till towards 24.10, 24.08, but then only selling entry has to be below 24.14. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. The MACD is bullish. The RSI is also staying overbought here. Coming to 3-hour charts, if you look at 3-hour charts, see right now the preceding two candles are of importance to us. What has happened here? Lower highs are seen and modestly lower lows are seen. See, the slope here and here are different. You can see this, it has fallen shy of. Thus, it appears the resistances on the upside are strong enough. And now the candle has started in green. So once it breaks out beyond 24, 22, 24, 24 zone, we can say more bullish momentum may prevail, and then we can look forward to 24.30. Else, on the downside, a reversal is what you can expect. Now look at this, the double bottom levels here at 24.04. This is definitely going to be a very good support. Moving averages crossing over here, this is a sign of bullishness. The stochastic overbought trying to cool down. The MACD is rising. The RSI is very near to the top. Coming to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, the observation is more or less same. Preceding two candle comes with lower highs. The current candle may also fall shy of the highs here. If it breaks out, certainly it is to be considered bullish. Else, we may see a reversal. We can see a red candle here where the prices might retrace lower. Only bearishness is below 24.04. That is very clear. Moving averages crossing over here certainly is a sign of bullishness. And if you look at the pattern here, see, first of all, the rise, the retracement, the rise, it could retrace. And as long as it respects 23.94 on the downside, we should not be treating this as bearish. And below 23.80, we should not be initiating any buying position for the day. Be it with FOMC or be it with the US session, any drop below 23.80 is a sign of reversal. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI is near to top. Coming to daily charts, and before we look into daily, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, and the broker offers a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, and very easy withdrawals. So you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. See, first of all, right now you can see that the third highs or the today's high is aligned with the highs from the previous 2 days, and that also makes this zone as very crucial for gold to break past by. Else what could happen? Look at the lows here. It can swing till towards the lows here, and once it breaks below 23.80, we can in fact expect lower lows, which means it can in fact move towards 23.60 levels as well. So this is one probability you should not ignore. That is just one aspect to look. Second way to look at it is see, after the rise, it is retraced here and it is giving a breakout. So it is still considered to be bullish. And now for the day, 2404, 2394 is the zone, major support zone. The stochastic is rising here. Now look at MACD on the daily charts. After crossing over here, it has traded bearish, now trying to cross over. It is not yet crossed over, it is still bearish, and RSI is looking upwards. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 2414 with a caution note till towards 2408, 2410 first, very strong support, then 2404, the next strongest support. Below 2404 is where slight increase in bearishness will be seen towards 2400, 2394, 96. 96, remember yesterday it was a resistance, now today it is going to be the support. So 94, 96 first, 23, 87, 84 the second, and below 23, 84 we can say now the bears will take over towards 2378, 2370, 2360, and in fact lower levels. On the upside, now let's talk about where to buy. On the upside, once it breaks beyond 23, 22, 24 zone, you can say bulls will take over. I will see that possibly we may look forward to 24, 30, 32 as the first resistance, and then 2440 levels. 2436 is there, but I will look forward to 2440 and 2444, 45 zone, the maximum resistance zone. Beyond 2444, 45, I think it is not going to come back. We can look forward to 2460 and higher levels. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver on the early charts. After staying bullish, it has retraced, it is consolidated. First bullish candle is appearing here. I will wait for the next candle, and see, whenever you see silver staying beyond 28.7580, just stay bullish there. We can expect it to move towards $29 levels. It is trading in this bullish channel, and now the highs on the upside are towards $29 levels. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken at 28.50 when you see the higher price below 28.50, or this zone between 28.50 to 28.30. Now it is going to be a prime support zone, and once it comes out of the zone, we can see a stronger correction taking it till towards 28 or lower levels. Stochastic rising. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and it is not showing any major bearish sign as of now. We have to wait for it to diverge, which will be the only indication of bearishness. RSI overbought. Coming to 2-hour chart. Look at silver on the 2-hour chart. See, first of all, retracement here, but here also you can see the previous candle holds a little bit increasing body size, which suggests that still you should not be treating this as bullish. It has to break beyond 28.7580, then we can say that now silver has turned bullish. Else what we have seen it reversing. It can reverse again, and once it drops below 28.50-40, you can say that it is turning majorly bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI is rising and entering into overbought zone here. On the 3-hour charts, the observation is similar. The rise, the retracement, and now trying to break out. Now once it stays beyond 28.70, 28.80 zone, I will look forward to $29 levels here. In fact, beyond 29, 29.25, 29.50 is possible. Now if you look at the 3-hour charts, what is happening here? The drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, and right now it is trading about the 2050 period moving average, which is a slight bullish indication here. But we have to be trading with caution. On the upside, as long as 29.50 is not taken, it is not a reversal for silver. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, you can notice that the preceding candle was a swing candle. It has indicated indecision here, where lower lows, lower highs are seen. This candle has already started on a slight bullish note, but it won't take much time for it to reverse, and thus once it stays below 28.50-40 zone, we can say that it will move towards the 20 period moving average sitting at around 28.20, and then the strongest support is at 28. So this now the next strongest support for silver on the downside is towards $28 levels. The stochastic is definitely overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish, and RSI is still rising. Coming to daily, now look at daily chart. See what has happened in the preceding two candles. Higher lows are seen, higher highs, and see the highs are beautifully aligned here as well, which means it needs to break beyond 28.7580 in order to keep moving towards 29, 29.25, 29.50. As long as 29.50 is not taken, we should not be treating silver as bullish. Now see what has happened here. Higher highs are seen, it can reverse. First thing is higher lows, which means it has to break below 28, 28.20, and if it breaks this, then you can look forward to lower lows here, which can in fact take it towards 27.40 again. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish trying to converge, and RSI is rising. Looking at this, very simple. I will again recommend you to buy only if you see it staying above 28.75. 2880 zone, where we can expect it to move towards 28.95, $29 levels. First target zone 29.25 second and 29.50 third. If and only if silver trades beyond 29.50, treat this as bullish, else we can see a reversal, we can see a drop. That is the first part to it. Second part, where you should sell. I can recommend you to sell here at 28.40 levels. 28.45, 40, somewhere here you can sell, but then 28.30, 28.20, very, very good support zone. $28 levels the next. And if it trades below 28, you can say more bearishness will prevail, and then you can look forward to 27.80, 27.60 and 27.40 levels. Below 27.40, it is not going to come back up again, and we can look forward to a major crash on the downside. Let's see which direction it takes, and whichever direction it takes, you have to be just trading with the trailing stop loss. You know the major support and resistances. Till the major levels, you have to be cautious. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join the mentorship batch and the signals channel. Thank you.